What is restaurant POS software? Restaurant point-of-sale software helps restaurant owners enhance the customer experience and streamline operations related to sales, food inventory, and bookkeeping. Common features of restaurant POS software include order entry, designed to ensure accuracy of food and beverage orders, with orders instantly sent to the bar or kitchen to save time, special modifiers to add costs for extra items, and the ability to split checks for guests. Inventory management helps monitor the use and costs of food by tracking portioned items, creating management reports to help detect theft and overportioning, and assigning automatic reordering. Recipe costing determines the expense and profitability of menu items based on each batch or individual serving. A tablet or iPad-based system reduces order and payment time by having orders sent directly to the kitchen, with all payments processed at the table. Types of buyers looking for restaurant POS software fit into 3 categories based on business volume and number of locations. Small restaurant business buyers can enhance operations of a single location, pop-up, or mobile food truck with quicker ordering and ease of payments for customers. Mid-size restaurant business buyers managing high volume in 1 or more locations by using reporting and analytics, inventory control, and online ordering capabilities. Enterprise restaurant business managers and operators running more than 5 properties benefit from advanced dashboards and analytics, along with tools for multiple location management. Key considerations to look for when choosing restaurant POS software include the ability to create cloud-based solutions for small and mid-sized businesses, and to keep anticipated costs on budget using subscription-based pricing determined by the amount of terminals in use and the length of the subscription. On-premises POS solutions are designed to support large and enterprise restaurants with more than 5 locations. Pricing is based on the number of licenses needed, the number of terminals required, and typically requires a large upfront fee for use in perpetuity. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.